If you need to recover your Kayak account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Kayak login page. Go to the Kayak website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Kayak account. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the recovery email is sent to the correct address. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Kayak with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click the link in the email to reset your password. Create a new password and log into your account. If you encounter issues, consider reaching out to Kayak customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Kayak account without needing your phone number. If you have any further questions or issues, don't hesitate to contact the support team for help.